In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix video not playing on Pinterest. So on your Pinterest application, if the videos are not playing, there might be various reasons behind it. The primary reason might be the unstable internet connection. So what you have to do is simply try checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, the video must be played. But if still your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some bugs in the application, so for that launch open Play Store on your device. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Pinterest. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Pinterest and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for update. Tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After the application is updated, try playing the video and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the app. So what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Pinterest and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. After that, the cache of the app will be cleared and the video should be played. But if the video is still not playing, there might be some problem with the device itself. So what you can do is simply try restarting the device. Long press on the power button, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Now you can simply try opening the Pinterest application. Now after you do that, simply try playing the video and your problem should be solved and the video will be played. So that is how you fix video not playing on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.